Hello everyone, welcome back to the Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have a fun little outdoor project. So they are making an umbrella stand with a side table. I think that this is a really clever way to give yourself a nice little shaded area where you can relax. Very cool. I love the vibe. This looks so relaxing. So next up we have a DIY featuring a bottle. So they are using some painter's tape, some saran wrap, oh, a nice simple vase design, the pop of black for the color. And then we have a DIY featuring some clay, oh, this is a rather unique shape. Painting it with a stone effect spray. Oh, a candle holder. Wow, this is really pretty. Such a unique shape too. Very cool idea. So I keep on seeing this action store and a lot of people are making DIYs from this. Where is this place located? Because I have not seen one in the States. So this person bought this bench and they're simply adding some shearing fabric to it to make it more like their style, more trendy, and then spray painting the base black. I really like this idea. Oh, that came out great. It looks so cozy and cute. I actually have a bench like this and I don't like the way that it looks. This is way more my style, so I might have to try that particular DIY out myself. Okay, we have a nice little lamp transformation using the IKEA items. Okay, I guess they're not going to actually show us how they made this, but we've seen plenty of videos with the same style. You're going to buy the bowl and then the vase, glue them together, and then add the puck light. Well, you want to spray paint the stone spray too. Don't forget that step. Otherwise, it'll be clear. Are you ready for the accent wall reveal? Yes, we are. I love a good accent wall. Ooh, I like that vase. Oh, very nice. Definitely upgraded the space, made it more modern. The color scheme is very soft and neutral too. Very nice. Vase with jute. So this is like a simple DIY. You're basically gonna take like a clear bottle or vase and then do like the jute macrame technique. Very cute and simple design. Definitely plays into like that bohemian style. Very cute. You know what? I kind of wonder what this would look like if you like spray painted it a different color. It would add some texture to the design. That would be pretty cool. So this looks like another like very bohemian inspired project. Looks like they're making a table or some type of plant stand. Oh, she added that to the top. I was wondering what that was going to be for. That really adds some nice interest to the stool or, yeah, plant stand. Very nice. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to like the video, and I will see you in the next one.